Okay. Okay. So we went up through here, through here, and then we came this way, underneath, and then where? Okay, it's still loose. Okay.
Yeah. Underneath, you see that little slit right there?
Yep.
Okay, you go in there and around that one.
Okay.
And then you go to your piece.
What piece? Wait. Okay.
And it have to go inside here and around a couple of times so it catches when
Right. Right.
I don't understand.
Be safe.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now go around a couple of times.
All right.
So you started it. But this particular way that you started it not going to work here. It has to be done like this one with the proper tension. Okay, I'm going to put it there. Again, this needs to be. There we go. Okay, and hopefully it goes the right way. Hopefully.
If there's a right and a wrong way to put it, you got to be kidding.
Well, I'm pretty sure it spins this way. So I should be okay because the thread
is on the outside.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's going the opposite. It's going this way.
Oh,
you see
no.
it?
What does that mean?
Done.
So you turn it around.
Yeah. Okay, take it out of here. Take this out. Put it over here. If you have two, you don't have to take it out. Okay. Now this one go inside there. That split. Yeah.
Okay.
And then all the way out here. And it goes this right here.
Okay.
Around it. Okay, you can hear it click. It went in. Then come over here. You see that?
Uh-huh.
It has to go inside that split right there. Not here, there. That split. And then inside here. Yeah?
Yep.
And then from there to here. Wait. Yeah. Right there.
Wait, let me come around the other side. I think would be better. Hold on, Veronica.
Yeah, you got it?
Yep. Perfect.
Okay. Then from there it goes inside here.
Inside where?
Right there.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
And then through the needle.
Oh, geez.
Once you do it a couple of times, it's easy. And I got the needle.
You got it?
Yeah.
First try. Wow.
And then put the thread out there. Now this is another one.
What do you mean this is
And
another
if
one?
you don't do it right, it's not going to work. Anyhow, so you put the thread. It's going, you see it?
Yeah.
The thread is going in like this. You see? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And then, where are you? You're going to pull it. Wait. Okay. They're going there. Yeah. You see, what happening is, you see that little cut right there?
Yep.
When you got that thread coming from here to there, yeah, it comes through that little slot there. Okay. Yep, looking good. Dusty, but looking good. Okay. Here we go, another thing. Let me clean it. Okay. Now this is important too. The thread has in between those two things. Yeah.
Between what two things?
This.
There you go. Okay.
It's supposed to be pulling. I think you're the one give me take away the light.
I probably am.
Can you show it to me? I want to see what happened if I went around.